So check us out here at mgmclassiccars.com, where we have over 200 beautiful cars for sale, financing available. We got them all stacked and ready, guys, all detailed. They will be going through service department as well to make sure that everything is up front. So check that out on all of our videos. Don't forget to check out our website at mgmclassiccars.com. We do have awesome, great financing available. That rates start at 6.99% as of today, November 18th, 2025. And let's get ready for the next photo shoot, guys, and the video. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, Thomas here at MGM Classic Cars. Today I have this super nice, gorgeous restored 1964 Chevelle Malibu car. It's finished in a beautiful teal paint with the teal interior. Just gonna do a general walk around on the car. I just want you guys to see the fit and finish. The quality of the paint's really nice. The stance on the car on all four corners. As you guys can see, the trim appears to be all original. The chrome is super nice. Obviously, the hot SS Cragar wheels. I love these wheels on these hot rods, older muscle cars. They're one of my favorites. Grille is super nice. Chrome is super nice on the car, along with the glass and the weather stripping. Let's get further into it. All right, we're gonna start with the heart of the car here, guys. This is a custom-built 383 stroker engine. As you can see, it's got the beautiful Chevrolet valve covers matching with the air intake. You got the 4-barrel carburetor on there, Holley, with the electric choke setup. Beautiful headers, nice chrome alternator. You got the beautiful aluminum water pump, aluminum heads, nice chrome power steering pump there, beautiful pulleys underneath, brand new booster and master cylinder, and a new Griffin aluminum radiator with that huge fan. No problems with the car overheating whatsoever. You got the upgraded ignition system. This is a blueprint motor, guys. I do have all the documents in regards to that, okay? And I will be firing up. Very nice engine compartment, nice core support, nice on the inside, beautiful under the hood as well, guys. This motor is backed up by a 6-speed manual transmission. You have the Auburn rear end in the car, very expensive. I did mention the Cragar wheels. These are 14-inch. Power assist brakes, power steering, dual exhaust with the electric controlled cutouts. And I'm really happy to share that with you guys. Wood trim steering wheel on the inside, super nice with the bucket seats. Hurst shifter. It's a floor mounted, obviously, as you can see, Hurst shifter. 120 mile speedometer, clock and combination gauge package, as you can see. The Sun Pro auxiliary gauges for the RPM. You guys see that, and the triple gauge package below, right down there. You guys see that? Okay. Quad headlights, dual side sport mirrors. Fluids have been serviced on the Chevelle, guys, so you're pretty much ready to go. All the gauges function. The metal on the car looks great, very, very straight. Gaps are excellent on the car, guys, and I believe that these quarters are original to the vehicle. I do believe that. I do have a clean title in hand, and we're gonna go for a test drive in a little bit here. So, you guys ready? Look at the beautiful trunk, spare tire, jack. Super, super clean all around. Look at these door panels. Beautiful. Factory pinch welds on the door lips. Beautiful jams in and out. Here's tons of paper on the Auburn gear and the blueprinted motor. And then you have like the numbers for the belts, just in case you need something like that in the future. Look how clean this is. All the weather stripping, super nice car, guys. You're not going to be disappointed whatsoever. Very solid when everything closes. Let's fire this up real quick. Nice and easy. My guys tuned it perfectly, guys. Perfect. Really nice. Look at this A-pillar, how clean it is. Nice, crisp, clear gauges. Beautiful radio. Everything is gorgeous. Here's that 6-speed with the Hurst. Okay, so that's with the exhaust off, and here's with it on. You just hit the button. Ha 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 ha. Isn't that beautiful? Let's do this. All the seat belts are intact, super nice, super clean, like I said. Got your wipers functioning, okay? Your headlight switch, everything functions there. You got your left turn signal and your right turn signal, okay? So on the right turn signal, as you can see there, the bulb is flashing on and off. And on the left turn signal there, oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. So that's all intact. No horn, not functionable. Oh, there we go. It was just a little loose. So we got that working. You got the RPM tach working. We're going to check if the speedo functions. Clock is not working. Okay. But usually, if you guys take this out and get an SOS pad and rub the ends of them and plug it back in, usually it will work again. So all the fuel gauge functions, and then there's your radio there with the cassette player, and that does work as well. Heat defrost does function. Okay. Now, get the seat belt on, and we're gonna go for a test drive, guys. E-brake functions, okay. So this is with open exhaust, and this is with closed. That's open. We're gonna leave it open. We're gonna have some fun. Speedo does function. Oh, this is nice with this Hurst, the tall shifter. It fits in your hand perfectly. I love it. And And the shifter is so easy to go to first and second. Beautiful. Oh, it's a new one. Wow. Oh, wow. This thing is spunky. Woo. Then a cop. I gotta be careful. I get in trouble here. They know us, but I mean, they like us, I think. This is a really, really nice car, guys. No joke. Woo-hoo! That was freaking fun! I just can't help myself now. Alright, I'm gonna shut the exhaust off. Alright, now the exhaust is in the off mode. So here, you can listen. It's quiet, okay? So you get to feel, you know, of it both ways. This thing's a blast. All right, we're gonna head back to the dealership, guys. This was a hoot, man. All right, I'm gonna try and take this turn with a little bit more acceleration. If I fishtail, I fishtail, okay? Oh man, that was fun. That was fun. I'm I'm gonna go blast this car again. Holy cow! All right. Anyway, guys, listen to me carefully. Actually, I'm gonna continue to drive a little bit. So here's some of our outdoor inventory that we keep. We have over 200 cars in our possession in the brown building to your left. This is the entranceway at the end of the building for our service department and our detail shop, okay? We have our own tow trucks as well, as you can see there to my right. A lot of these cars to my left here are ready to be shipped out or looked at before being shipped out. So I'm going to make a wide left-hand turn here to show you guys this here. This is where our, right here, it's where our service department is, right in behind that overhead door, and then the detail shop is right next to it, okay? Yeah, we're going to go back out for another ride. This thing's too fun. Yeah, this thing's way too fun. So, listen, this car has been restored. It is really nice, okay? But if you're a real nicky-picky freaking person, please come see the car for yourself, okay? I mean, the car is great condition. I've been doing this for 26 years. But there's a lot of guys out there that are just, you didn't show me this little tiny screw. It's not screwed in all the way. Like, I'm sorry, if you're that guy, I don't want to sell a car to you. I want to sell the car to a car guy who understands that they're not 100% perfect. Okay? Nothing is 100% perfect. I built an Eleanor for $400,000 and it's not perfect. Okay? I know what perfect is. Okay? And this is not perfect, but it's super nice. above driver quality, guys, with nice paint, everything that I showed you. Hold on. Yeah, okay. I just wanted to make sure I caught third gear. All right. So anyway, if you're nicky and picky, just please come see it for yourself, or, you know, you gotta trust us. We got great reviews. I don't lie to people. I just tell you how it is. So again, you're buying an upper driver quality, super nice car from MGM Classics. Now, if you guys need financing, it's not a problem. Not a problem at all. We got two different programs. The first program is a credit score between like 630 and 770. Okay. You will need, obviously, good credit. That's good credit. You will need 10% down, which I would rough it up to about $4,500. Okay, so that's what you'll need down. Now, for the financing, if you wanted to roll in some of the options that I'll talk about, you can. All you need is $4,500. You can roll in the option list. You can roll in your sales tax, your delivery. You can roll in everything. Okay. But you will need $4,500 down. You can find the application at mgmclassiccars.com on the upper right-hand corner. Rates today start in the 8% range. Okay, the longer term you go, the higher the rate goes. So we have long-term, low payments. You'll actually be surprised at how low the payment can be. Okay, if you are a 775 or higher credit score, guys, I have another lender that you can go to, lightstream.com. Rates start at $699. They go up to 84 months. It's an unsecured loan, and it's no money down. Okay, but you got to have a 775 and higher, sometimes 780 and higher. But it really depends on credit profile. Everything is based off your credit profile, so don't hold me to anything. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you guys need the financing, if you do or don't, it's on you. If you need delivery, you can call or text me. My number is 847-848-1850. Send me your zip code, and I'll be happy to send you a quote for delivery. If you want an open carrier or a closed carrier, that's up to you. But I can price it out both ways. Just let me know. So send me your zip code, city, and states, and I'll take care of that for you. We're going to head back to the shop here, guys, and I'm going to do the next one. We'll talk soon. My name's Thomas. Thanks for spending your 17, 18 minutes with me. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. We have over 60,000 subscribers, and I thank each and every one of you for doing that. All right, here we are, guys. MGMClassicCars.com headquarters. Talk soon.